Okay guys, so this is my Husqvarna FE 350 2020. It's got 40 hours on it, and I just bought it like 2 months or 3 months ago. The bike started to bog down, so I'll try to show you, but when I accelerate fast, it doesn't go anywhere. It just slowly starts to decelerate. So I'm gonna try to change the in-tank fuel filter and see if that fixes the problem. I already checked the TPS measurements, everything seems to be doing fine. Changed the little inline fuel filter over here, put a new spark plug in, made sure all the air intake is clean. Nothing solved the issue so far. So apparently those bikes have a very bad in-tank fuel filter, and I got myself a new one. I ordered one from Quantum Fuel Systems, and it arrived fast, so that was my main priority. Plus it was half of what the dealer would have charged me. So I'm gonna install that and see if it works. Let me try to show you how the bike behaves. So it starts out fine, or it used to. So this is what it does. This is what it does. When you open up the throttle fully, it just shuts down, or it doesn't accelerate if you're on the street, anything like that. So hopefully I'll fix that by installing the new fuel filter. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I removed the fuel tank from my bike, emptied it, and I went ahead and removed the screws from the fuel pump, the two at the bottom right here, the four at the top. This is, I guess you'll call it the fuel line, and then the other screw secured it in place. So now I'm gonna take it out and see what it looks like. Let's see, it's the first time I'm doing this, the first time I'm recording anything, so bear with me. I hope everything is gonna turn out right. So let's see that. You can see, okay, so that's the fuel pump right here. I can remove this from my table. Get this out of the way, and so I would assume this is the original filter that the bike came with, and I don't know, whether that's a crack right here or not. I have not tested this separately in a bucket full of water or anything like that, but just gonna go ahead and replace it. So just for comparison, this is the one that came with the bike. This is the one I just ordered from the Quantum Fuel System. So it was this together with this guy over here. So this is the secondary filter that's at the bottom of the fuel pump. This is the exact one the OEM uses, but Quantum has it for half of what the dealer charges you. So anyway, I'll go ahead, I'll replace this, I'll open this up, change this filter, you know, put it on the bike and see how it does. Okay guys, so just want to show you what I've done. So I replaced the fuel filter. This is the old one, and I believe right here It's probably a crack. I did not test it out in a bucket of petrol because I don't have the patience to do that, so that's out of the way. And I changed this fuel filter right here. This is the old one. My package including the fuel filter, down this one, and the two clamps, crimp clamps I think they're called. So now I'm gonna put this back together, and I think I'm gonna put it on the bike and see how it runs. So hopefully it's good news. Okay guys, so I installed the fuel pump, installed the fuel tank, and now I'm gonna start it up, see how it does. I think one of the gaskets I put back is not in the right place because it leaks, but I'll get back to it in a second. So I can hear the pump running. I'll do it again. First time starting it, so let's see. Right. Sounds better, but I can see it still shuts off. Try again. Well, it's definitely better. I'm just gonna take that out and put the gasket correctly in place because it leaks fuel. I don't want to make a lot of friends in my neighborhood revving the bike at this time, so I think I'm gonna take it out in the morning and ride and see what happens. But I would never be able to rev the bike so hard from idle with an old fuel filter, so I think that might have solved the issue. It's probably now just have to tweak with the idle a bit and find the perfect spot. Okay guys, so I put the bike back together. Try to put some lighting so you can see the bike a lot better. I'm gonna start it up, test it once again, and I think I'm gonna take it out for a ride and see how it rides. I close my garage door, hopefully it's not gonna be as noisy. So let's see. Right, so seems like it's all working. At least it's idling, you know, from idle you can open up the throttle. So I want to take it out on the street and accelerate and see if it bogs down or not. I'm gonna write in the description. I'm gonna upload this video for the first time, so hope it helps somebody. Bye.